Uphindile Kunene nongumqondisi wezinhlelo ze-Democracy and Political Culture e-FES uthi abavumelani nezixwayiso ezivela kosopolitiki ezithi asikho isidingo somasipala abasebenza ngokubambisana.
But this caution needs to be taken with a pinch of salt because, as has already been alluded, more than 50% of coalitions formed after the 2021 local government elections are actually stable.
Umengameli weSALGA ubheki Stofile uthi uyavuma ukuthi kunomasipala ababusa ngokubambisana abangamashumi nokuthi akuzange kuxazululwe izizathu ezenza ukuthi bengasebenzi ngendlela.
The question that we should be asking, what made a change today to have a dysfunctional, so to speak, municipal system? What is the role of greed and interest to have fingers into the cookie jar? What is the role of that?
Christopher Schmidt okhulumela indlu yenxusa laseJalimani uthi izwe laseJalimani linenzululwazi uma kuza komasipala abasebenza ngokubambisana njengoba lineminyaka engamashumi yenkululeko.
Yes, in Germany we have made the experience that for a coalition to be really durable and long-lasting, the parties have to come together and forge some agreement on what they want to achieve together for the people in the country.
Lengqungquthela izophothulwa kusasa.